Welcome this session 2 of this fluid power engineering fifth semester. Subject code is 18ME55. Components and hydraulic circuit design components of module 3. So in the first module, we have learned about the, the different types of valves, directional control valves, flow control valves, and pressure control valves. Wherein the first type we have learned the directional control valves, which is represented by various graphical symbols or symbolic representation. In this session, we learn about the different types of the course outcomes. We visualize how a hydraulic or pneumatic circuit will work to accomplish the function. Then design an appropriate hydraulic or pneumatic circuit or combination circuit like electrohydraulics, electropneumatics for a given application. Then select and size the different components of the circuit. Then the last one, develop a comprehensive circuit diagram by integrating the components selected for the given application. These are the course outcomes listed. Then in this session, these are the contents: 3 by 2 wall, 4 by 2 wall, 4 by 2 wall, 4 port 3 position wall, and the different types of actuators, and how we represent them, how we represent the different types of actuators. So this session mainly deals with the different types of valves. There is the direction control valves, which control the direction of flow of a fluid inside a hydraulic system. So these are the contents of this session. So these graphic symbols, they help they help us to represent a wall graphically, or write a symbol represents that type of graphic wall. For example, if I want to represent a check wall, so a check wall is one which allows the flow of fluid only in one direction. So the flow is blocked in the opposite direction. So we cannot write the complete wall each time. That is why there is graphical representation of these walls. So here the first figure shows 2 by 2 wall, that is 2 ports, 2 position directional control wall. So in this, normally it is a closed position and P is not connected to A. So you can see in the figure it is not connected to A. When the wall is not actuated, the way it is closed. So usually the wall is connected to the actuator, wherein the hydraulic energy is converted into some mechanical power. So that is called as an actuator is nothing but which converts the mechanical hydraulic energy into mechanical power. So when the wall is closed or not actuated, it is usually closed. So normally it is a closed position. This figure shows a closed position. It is not connected to P. Then the wall is not actuated. It means that the wall is not actuated. So this is called a 2 by 2 wall, 2 ports and 2 position direction control valves. The graphic symbol, we represent that wall like this, the first figure. Then the second figure shows open position. So we can see the difference between the first and the second figure. So normally open position, P is connected to A. So then when the wall is not actuated, the way is open. So opposite to the first figure. So normally open position, P is connected to A. Then when the wall is not actuated, the way is open. So here we have two graphic representations: 2 by 2 open way, 2 by 2 way wall, 2 ports and 2 position directional control wall. Then next is 3 by 2 way wall, 3 ports, 2 position directional control valve. All these are directional control valve whose function is to control the direction of flow of a fluid in a hydraulic system. So 3 by 2, 3 ports, 2 way valves, 3 ports, 2 position directional control valve. So here the first figure shows the normally open position. P is connected to A. So you can see P is connected to A. When the wall is not actuated, that is, if it is not connected to the actuator, the way is open. So Then this is called as 3 ports 2 position open. Then the second figure shows normally open position P is connected to A. When the wall is actuated, the way is closed. So here we can see that it is closed position. So here the same wall, 3 ports 2 position, one is open and the other one is closed wall. So in this way, depending upon the situation or the requirement, these directional control valves, they can be used for different applications, usually to control the flow of fluid in a direction in a hydraulic system. These directional control valves are used. So they can be 3x2, 4x2, or different types of ports and positions. So depending upon the requirement, the valve is selected for its application. So these are the two types of valves. Then we have 2x2 way valve, two ports, two position, directional control valve. So in the first figure, we can see closed position. So normally closed position, P is not connected to A. So when the valve is not actuated, and it is not connected to actuator, it is closed. So that is why it is called as two-way, two ports, two position, directional control valve in a closed position. So the opposite to that, the second figure shows normally open position, wherein P is connected to A. When the valve is not actuated, it is open. So one is open and the other is closed. Same valve, 2x2 way valve with two ports and two position, directional control valve. So in this way, we can represent the valve. So the next is 4x2 way valve. So four ports and two position. Four ports, there are four ports and two position directional control valve. So in the first figure, P is connected to A, B is connected to T. So in this way, it is called as four-way two position directional control valve. So the first figure shows position 1, and the same wall it shows position 2. P is connected to B and A is connected to T. Opposite connections are done to show the same wall. It can be connected in different open and closed positions. So this figure shows a 4x2 way wall, 4 port, 2 position directional control wall. Next, 4 4-port three-way valve, 4-port three position directional control valve. So ports P, T, connection A, B and PT. These are the ports connected to a 4x3 way valve, wherein it shows the 4 ports and 3 position valve directional control valve. Then we have mid position pump recirculating. P to P, P to T, and A and B are closed. So here we can see that ports A and B are closed. That is called as mid position pump reticulating. So we have P to T and A and B are closed. So this is a 4x3 way valve, 4 port, 3 position directional control valve. So these are the actuation positions. So the different graphs, different graphical representations are shown here. The first one, it shows solenoid operated. So the first figure you can see, it is called as, to represent this type of figure, it is called as solenoid operated. Then we have the second figure, pilot operated. The third one, it is called manual operated. Then fourth one, it is represented by push button. So we can see a push button represented graphically. Then we have foot operated, then pilot operated solenoid, two position. Then we have spring return. So we have a spring attached to the opposite direction. It is called as spring return, two position, pilot operated solenoid, foot operated, push button, manual operated, pilot operated, and solenoid operated. So here I have one example for directional control valve. This figure shows simple directional control valve whose function is to control the direction of flow of a hydraulic fluid in a system. So you can see the figure. See, it is a simplest form of a DCV, direction control valve. It is also called as check valve. So check valve, as the name itself indicates, it checks or allows the flow of fluid only in one direction. So here we can see the valve, the free flow from left to right. So the left to right free flow direction is indicated by an arrow that represents the flow occurring from left to right. So again we have another direction represented from right to left. It indicates that there is no flow or the flow is blocked. So in this way, the directional control valve or a simple check valve, it checks or controls or allows flow only in one direction and blocks the flow in the opposite direction. So this is the simplest check valve. Shows the graphical symbol of a check valve. This is the graphical symbol, the check valve, along with no flow and free flow directions. Thank you.